is 10 to 7. We've been up since about 4. Daisy was up at 6, so not too bad, but we're all ready to go. These girls think it's sunny already. Hello. Where's the other one? Come and show me.
Beautiful accessories.
Look at this. We're all ready to go. Yeah, we had a fairly good night's sleep really. Let me just show you what I'm wearing today. Callum, beep beep. So I've got a Primark Winnie the Pooh tie t-shirt, a skirt, and oh, the colour's not coming up very well. It's really a lot brighter than on here. And my Converse. I've never worn a skirt and trainers before, so I'm trying something new. So we'll see how we get on. But we're excited. Callum's got his oh yeah apparel t-shirt and next.
If it was good enough for 2018, it's good enough for 2019.
We're wearing.
This is exactly the same outfit.
So we are headed to Magic Kingdom today. So we've got Be Our Guest breakfast, which is a new experience for us. We've done dinner. It was okay. Before it was the signature dinner. So we're really excited about breakfast because we've heard good things. We're going to order online in a moment. And then we've got some fast passes and lunch at Crystal Palace. Usually our tradition is breakfast at Crystal Palace, but we're switching it up a little bit today. And then if we can make it for Festival of Fantasy, if we can kind of keep the kids happy enough, then we'll stay for that. If not, we'll head back to the resort. But if we can, then we'll watch that and then come back and have a bit of pool time this afternoon and then just chill out here for a little bit. We really don't want to overdo it on the first day. So
on these ones.
Okay, that's fine. So yeah, we're very excited. The sun's not even up yet, so we're going to go and see if we can maybe watch the sun come up over the savannah, if that's where it is. I don't even know whether that's where the sunrise is, but we're just going to go and have a little bit of an explore because it was very dark and very late when we got here last night. So we're excited to go and have a look. I'll take you with us. We found our first hidden Mickey. Ta-da! Spotted our first giraffe.
He might come off the grass.
There he is.
Oh no! What is that? Papa!
There's a zebra too.
3 zebras.
Papa! I can see something over there. That might be a fox.
So you can see one of them just coming from behind this bush.
Papa!
And then there's 2 one either side of the giraffe.
This is just a little viewing area that we found literally outside our door. So this is level 2. Shh, shh, shh. So amazing. It's a bit brighter this morning. The amazing lobby. And then look at this. Let's see what it says. Yelly. Mask is an enormous 16 foot high. Carried on the head of a single dancer. Oh my goodness me. That can't be right, surely. Oh my goodness. So yeah, so here's the savannah. Our room is up this way. Boma and Jico are kind of over there. And then this is where you check in, all along here. And then I've never really noticed how much seating's here before. Like there's so many places just to sit and relax. These two have found the TV. Are you happy, Callum? Oh look, it's a nice beautiful sky. walking down to get the bus to Magic Kingdom, and we've already had some Disney Magic, someone's just given us a card full of cash for like the games arcade thing because they're leaving today. I love Disney, I love it. I almost forgot my ears. How could I forget? These two have got theirs. Say hi, yeah. There's your ears. Woohoo! Here! Yes! Yes! We're running a little bit late, so we're going to walk very fast.
Morning, welcome to the kingdom.
Morning! It's a bit cloudy. You like beasts now, do you? We're at Belle's Castle, ready for Be Our Guest. Lyla has got pancakes with berries and yogurt, and then Callum and I have both got the feast de la Gaston, so sausage, egg, potato, fruit, and then we've got loads of pastries. Yummy, yummy!
Goes fast, does it?
Even me, even you, Olaf. Yay! Let's go find more fun! So, did you like your surprise?
Like it? Oh, Mickey, I loved it. I think today might be the best day ever.
Oh gosh, Minnie. Every day with you is the best day ever.
Oh, Mickey.
We have done Be Our Guest, we've done Barnstormer, we've done Space Mountain, we've caught the end of the castle show, and we're just heading over to our Jungle Cruise Fast Pass. This is one of our favourites. We love Jungle Cruise. You having fun, Callum?
We're having fun, Callum.
The humidity has caught me by surprise. I don't know why.
Every time,
but it's warm, very warm. So my hair is not happy, but I am very happy. Already we're like behind schedule of everything we wanted to do, but
doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. It is what it is.
We're here.
We're here. That is all that matters. So yeah, having a great day so far. So we can do this, and then we've got a lunch reservation at Crystal Palace, which is a family favourite of ours.
Renee, and for the next 3 months, guys, I will not only be your skipper, I will also be your tour guide.
Daisy! Daisy! This is going to be mostly Lyla dancing, isn't it?
Waiting to watch Daddy, aren't we? Are we getting wet? Yeah. Is it good? Let's watch. Look. We're gonna get wet.
Oh, it's coming!
Oh! Is it good, Lyla? And again. Are you ready? Oh, that one was rubbish.
How do you do?
down for a dip in the pool. I don't even know if you'll be able to see me because it's dark. I've got Callum's hat on. We are so tired. The parade was unbelievable, but we really, really need this swim. The girls are literally walking the corridors in their costumes. We can't wait to get in that pool.
Every change